makes his way to the stage holding some fish balls. We'll be starting off our night with a little segment we like to call Volley Vibing. Here we'll have our favorite athletes answer a few questions brought to them by the fans, and we'll read some messages from them as well, just so we can check the vibe, get things going for all the games that we have tonight. So, Anton, would you like to go first?
So most of the questions I am seeing here from these fish balls are actually messages. Pero ito, there might be some questions here. Alright, I guess I'll throw in the first question.
Go ahead.
Pupunta ako dito sa team captain at Chocomucho Flying Titans, Maddie Madayag. Maddie, kamusta? Okay naman?
Long time no see.
I know, it's good to see you. Maddie, the question for you is, what do you and your team expect to accomplish in this PVL season?
I think all the teams naman, every time they enter a competition, they really wanna reach the top, diba? So, I guess our team also wants to be back also in the semis and in the finals, and hopefully we get to win the championship.
Alright, Anton, I have a question myself. And I think this one will ask Miss Lori. Lori, your fans want to know. Itong mahiya, nag-TikTok ka.
Baka malaman ni Mama.
Your fans want to know, what is your favorite part about being a cool smasher?
Interpreter, please.心情是两种长走。
Sister, naghihintay ang fans.
Happy lang kami.
Back to you, Anton.
Okay, meron tayong tanong dito para kay